Hi everyone, happy Sunday.
Let me show you something.
Hey, thank you everyone for tuning in today. It's Teresa back with another video, and I have some happy mail. Canada Post. It's coming from somebody in Canada. I won a giveaway. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And this giveaway was sponsored by my beautiful friend, Karen Pruden of Let's Stitch and Makeup. She's out, I believe she's out in Manitoba. And she was doing a giveaway, Christmas giveaway. So she gave away a Yarny package, which I got because I won the Yarny one. She did 3. And she also gave away a beautiful coffee basket with all these goodies in it. So if you're a coffee lover, beautiful, beautiful package. And then her other one was for international because she didn't want to ship internationally. So she did Amazon gift card. So that was so generous of you, Karen. Thank you so much. She's a sweetheart. If you're not subscribed to Karen Pruden of Let's Stitch and Makeup, I'll leave her link below. This is a shout out to her. I would love it if you would subscribe to her. She's awesome. Awesome. So she's always looking for people to help support her as well. So anyways, I'm going to unbox. And she's such a sweetheart. So let's see how do I do this? Wow, it's okay. It says pull here to open. Oh, I broke. All right, I'll just use my hands. I love getting happy mail. I love winning giveaways. That's awesome. Thank you so much again, Karen. Karen is a sweetheart. Oh. Okay. Oh, you can do it on this side too. Hang on. Oh, and that one broke. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna have to keep using my hands. Maybe I'll use my scissors too. Maybe I should have opened it before, but this is part of the fun, is watching me open it, right? Almost like Christmas all over again. Yay! Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. You packed it so well, Karen. Awesome. This is a great idea to get these boxes. I guess you get them from Canada Post, and then you can put as much as you can in the boxes. Oh, look at this. Wow. This is Your Inspirations Bernat, 100% acrylic, Bernat Pop. And beautiful Christmas colors. I love it. It's so soft. 5 ounces, 140 grams. Yeah, medium 4. Oh, and it's soft. Thank you, Karen. Ah! I'm so excited. So there's one of those. And then she sent me another Bernat Super Value. This is nice too. Nice colors. Look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? The color of this is called Deep Seas. Beautiful, beautiful. 100% acrylic, 5 ounces, approximately 252 yards. I love it. Thank you. There's 2. There's another one. Oh, the label came off. The label's right here. Just because she had packed everything so well. Oh, there's a nice pattern on the back too. Lovely. So 2 of those. Bernat Super. I love these yarns. They're so nice. I love variegated yarns. Oh, what's this? Oh, Twizzlers. I love Twizzlers. These are my favorite. Honestly, these are my favorite. I love them. And these are strawberry. Ooh. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Karen. Okay, oh, this is nice. Charisma. Wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. Charisma. And color is black raspberry. There's one of these. She's got like various ones of the same type of yarn, but different colors. I love it. Pattern is included. Yay. This is gorgeous. This is 3.5 ounces. And it's also a medium 4, I believe. Where does it tell me that? Yeah, no, this is a bulky 5. I don't know if you can see it. So there's one of those. I love these colors. They're beautiful. Thank you, Karen. I'm going to keep saying it throughout the video. This is gorgeous too. So this is another Charisma. Same as the other one, but it's a different colorway. And it is called Ashes. Beautiful. Just gorgeous, eh? Gotta say eh, because we're Canadian, eh? So one of those, and then another. Oh no, this is still Charisma. Same amount. Let me see. Yeah, and it is also. I think it's also a bulky. The label's different. Yeah, it's bulky. And look at those colors. Wow. This one is called Northern Lights. Oh. Just gorgeous. Look at the purples in there. Purples and the aqua and some greens and blues. Just beautiful. Thank you, Karen. Here's another one. Look at these colors. Wow. This one is called Dragonfly. Oh, I love it. I love purples and greens, blacks. Just beautiful. This one is super soft. Feels softer than the other ones. Wow. Thanks, Karen. Okay. Hang on. Oh, this is like Christmas all over again. And then this is another Charisma. I love these colors. They're just gorgeous. Again, it's a bulky 5, and the color of this one is called Lakeside. So there's a lot of blues in here. Blues, browns, there's some creams. I love it. Just gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is so cute, Karen. Thank you. This is Karen Chunky Cupcake. So I can make a hat with this, right? There's the pattern. Free pattern on label. Yeah, it's a crochet pattern. Good thing. This is a 5 bulky yarn, and it calls for a 6.5 millimeter hook. I love it. It's so soft. Oh, thank you, Karen. You're such a sweetheart. Oh my gosh, she's got a lot of yarn in here. So there is another one, but she sent me 2 of these, and this yarn is really, really nice. I'm working with it right now to make that Juliet crochet along. If you haven't heard of it, go to my previous video. I'm giving the pattern away free, and it's so nice. Anyways, this is beautiful. I'm using this type of yarn, the Value Craft Smart Value yarn, and this has a pattern too for this hat. Is it a? Oh, that is a. I think it's a knit pattern, but I might try it. Who knows? This is a medium 4, 100% acrylic. What is the color on this one? Neon pink. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. She sent me 2 of those. Thank you, Karen. Put them over here. There's more. How did you get all this stuff in this box here? How did you get it all in here? Oh, this is another one. It's the same, the Craft Smart Value. 2 of these. And this one is called Neon Violet. Beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Karen. There's one more thing in here that's really, really, really cool. Oh, no, there's more than one thing. There's 2 things. You got a lot of stuff in this little box. Well, it's not a small box, but... Okay. This is so cute. Look at these. I needed socks. All my socks have holes. They're all getting full of holes. So thank you so much, Karen. These are really nice Canadian ladies' crew socks. Canadian flag. Thank you, Karen. And this little keychain heart. And it's one of those hearts that are one of those, it's got those sequences. You've seen them on pillows and things. So it just changes the pattern when you move them around. That is so pretty and beautiful. I love it. I'm going to put it on my keychain. Thank you so much, Karen. You're a sweetheart. If you're not subscribed to Karen, please go to her channel and subscribe. She's a sweetheart. She makes videos regularly. And so this is one of her first giveaways. I think she's going to be doing a lot more. So I love her. She's a fellow Canadian. So I would encourage you to please go and subscribe to Karen Pruden. I'm leaving her link again below. I won this giveaway from her. She sent it to me. I received it like middle of the week, but I wanted to save it up for the video that I do. I try and do my videos regularly. So this is my video showing you my unboxing. Thank you once again, Karen. Thank you all of you for stopping into Craving Crochet and watching me unbox this beautiful giveaway. And you all take care. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.